Hey, what's good, Dream Team? It's your boy Dizzy Dream, and we're back again with another video. Alright, so today for this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use this beautiful green screen on your Android. Now, there's actually a lot of, editing softwares you could use to edit your videos, and I'm not really 100% sure on it yet, because I'm only using one, and that's PowerDirector. That's the editing software that I'm now using. I recently in my old videos I've just been using iMovie, so I switched over to Android, like LeBron James and all that. I had to switch over to Android because I was having lack of storage, so I switched over to Android, and I'm using this software called PowerDirector, and it's very good. It's like very good, and there's a feature on PowerDirector that iMovie doesn't have, and that is what's it called? The premium key, I think it's called. That is to remove a color from basically anywhere. You can remove the pink off my shirt. You can remove the blue off my jeans. You can remove the black on my face. Just kidding. But yeah, basically that. So I'm gonna be going through it step by step. You know what I'm saying? Just teaching you guys how to remove basically all this, basically green screen. So for this video, I'm just gonna be talking, and the real video will be starting right about. Oh, right. The video will start right about now. Okay, y'all. So here we are. I'm on my phone right here, and we're gonna head right into PowerDirector, which is right here. All right, that's one of my projects that I was working on. Is the project for the video for my for the website, basically. So as you can see, here's some of my videos with a green screen and all I already had. But we're gonna go to the one that I just recently made. That's not how you do it. Okay. All right. So here's about here. Okay, I'm messing up right now. I'm messing up. Anyway. All right. For the green screen to work, firstly you have to put a background into a thing here. So let's just let's use my album cover for example. All right, so as you can see, my album cover is right here, and that it's moving or whatever, so we don't want that. So you want to hit the picture, you want to go to this little crayon thing that's right under this backspace button right here, and then you want to go to pan and zoom, and then you want to go to no effect. You want to go to no effect, and that that stops the picture from moving anywhere. Also, to cover all that black space right there, you want to go to pan and zoom again. No wait, no you don't. You go to crop. That's what I'm gonna say. You go to crop, right? And then you just want just spread it out just a little bit, and bam, there we go. Alright. So here we are, and now you wanna go to well first let me stretch this out just a little bit. Let me stretch that out, maybe like right there, 18 seconds, be alright. Anyway, now you wanna go to the icon that's right above the FX, which is right here. And then you wanna go to video. Now we record a video, so it's gonna be in camera. It's gonna be the video at the top left, right here. I'm gonna add that there, right? Alright, and now as you can see, it's here. You see the video is on top of the picture. Alright, I'm gonna stretch that out just a little bit. Stretch that out a little bit more. You see, the video is on top of the picture, but the green screen is still there. So we're gonna remove that right now. Alright. So firstly, let's drop this down to the corner, maybe like right here, right there to the corner. And now you want to hit on the photo. You want to go to the same icon, the little crayon, pencil, writing, whatever you want to call it. This little icon under the back arrow. Then you want to go to Chroma. It's pronounced Chroma. Sorry guys. You want to go to Chroma key, which is right here. And now you want to hit on this little droppy thingy right there, and you want to tap on the green screen. You want to tap on that, and then you're gonna tap on the little thing again, and there we go. This removes it. Now you got these two things right here: the color range and the denoise. The color range, it basically it possibly removes every single thing that's that color, right? And the denoise is basically, you know, how can I say it? It crops it out, like meaning like it's gonna remove any unnecessary colors. That includes myself. So you don't want to go up too high to 100. You want to be mostly around like roughly 30, right? All right. So when that is done, do you want to hit the backspace? I know. Don't worry, it's there. Don't worry, it's there. But watch this, y'all.
It was good. Dream Team, it's your boy Dizzy Dream, and we're back again with another vid.
All right. As you can see,
so today for this video,
as you can see, there I am. You know, it's kind of blurry a bit, but we could probably fix that. So maybe we want to go to denoise. Don't remove too much. So let's try 40. Nah, let's try like maybe 37. See that do anything. And there we go. And there we go. As you can see, the green screen is totally gone, and I am right here in front of my album. Y'all get ready for that. But anyway, here I am in front of my album, and yeah, you can basically do that, right? So this is just one of the features in PowerDirector. If you want me to go through the entire app, y'all just let me know in the comments below, and I will gladly go step by step through PowerDirector, show you how I edit my videos nowadays, you know, how I do what I do on here, and bam, we should be good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video really helps out. And this is for Android users. Just gotta let you know, this is for Android users. I don't think this app is on iPhone. You can check it to make sure, but this is for Android users. So yeah, just check that out. But anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video really helps you guys out. Like I said earlier, if you want me to go through the entire PowerDirector app, y'all let me know in the comments below, and I will gladly do that for you guys. But yeah, hopefully, hope you guys have a great Friday. And remember, don't fall asleep and dream about your dreams. Get up and chase them. Simple as that. And until the next video, Dizzy Dream.